Learning is not just about gaining knowledge, it's about unlocking opportunities, building confidence, and shaping future-ready individuals. Whether you are a student exploring your career path, a fresher stepping into the professional world, a professional aiming to upgrade your skills, an educational institution seeking impactful training solutions, a corporate looking to empower your workforce, an entrepreneur building your dream venture, or someone simply looking to upskill and evolve, AgnoAcademy is your platform. We bring together practical learning, industry insights, and hands-on training to ensure you don't just learn, you grow. From communication and digital skills to career readiness and emerging technologies, our programs are designed to bridge the gap between knowledge and real-world success. Learn, transform, succeed. Introducing AgnoAcademy, your gateway to growth and transformation.